have to survive out here is what is currently on our backs. Okay. All right.
We're going down.
All right. We're on like 2 feet of snow right now. We need to get building a shelter because it gets really cold tonight.
Hey, where are we going?
Follow me.
And the cold is only the beginning.
Everything is wrong. Nothing's going right.
You're gonna get hypothermia.
My toes were starting to turn a little purple.
Need a miracle right now.
We failed our last survival video, so this is me and my 5 friends' attempt at redemption.
I told none of the boys to bring tents because
What you doing?
What's that?
this is going to be our home.
We're staying in snow?
Yep.
Today, we have 2 objectives: create a shelter and build a fire.
Go deeper, guys.
Are you backseat shoveling right now?
We're getting more shovels.
Because as soon as the sun sets here in the Arctic,
Guys, if we don't get inside before it gets dark, we might freeze to death. No pressure.
it becomes so freezing cold at night that exposure to wind for 10 minutes could cause a limb to literally freeze.
I gotta move fast to get firewood.
The deeper we go, the harder the snow gets.
The guys are just going at that snow fort.
We're making a snow fort not only to protect us from the Arctic wind, but also to share our warmth.
Oh my goodness, guys. It's gonna get below 0 tonight. We really need this, or we could actually lose some of our fingers to frostbite. I need to make progress way faster.
It's all dead. We got really lucky.
We got firewood, baby.
Guys, Hayes is here.
Now that Hayes is back, let's see if we can all fit in our fort.
It looks a little tight in there.
We have a place to sleep tonight.
And it's really comfortable.
If we can't extend our legs, yes.
I'm not even in here.
We have 2 hours left of sunlight, and we're never gonna sleep well like this.
It might not be comfortable for these divas, but we're at least not gonna die, which is the #1 priority, that no one dies in this video.
And so we continued racing nightfall to increase the size of our somewhat habitable shelter while attempting to build a fire.
This fire's gonna be huge tonight. I'm excited. Gotta get it started.
Dude, I don't think we're all fitting in here tonight.
We gotta keep digging.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, I can thaw out my gloves now. Now that we have a fire going, you know what that means? Hold this.
All right, what are we cooking? Oh. What are you doing?
Now go put that on the fire, and we have drinking water.
This is a big celebration moment, but the sun is literally setting.
Is the house done?
No.
Nowhere near
Right
done,
now,
bro.
I think 2 to 3 can fit comfortably.
All right. See how the water tastes.
Give us a test.
Oh, you would think the water's hot, but because we keep adding snow, it's staying cold. Go, careful. Oh, my jacket's on fire.
Your pants!
Oh,
they're completely burnt.
Wait, my pants were actually on fire. It's past midnight, so technically it's day 2, and I know everyone wants to go to bed, but the house still isn't big enough. Hayes doesn't fit in it, and neither does our cameraman Darius.
I'm gonna sleep outside.
On day 1, we successfully built a fire and packed into our small and uncomfortable cave like sardines. But man, that was the worst sleep we've ever had.
Bro, the camera is literally, the camera is almost frozen. That was some bad sleep, bro. So cold last night, there's frost all over our bags and everything. This camera is freezing my hand off here.
Dude, I don't have gloves, bro. I don't have gloves.
It's too cold to hold.
Oh my gosh. Dude, my feet are freezing. I can't feel my toes.
Everyone, look! See that plane? Look right there, boys.
Bro, it hasn't been 7 days. What are we doing?
Once a day, that plane's gonna fly over top, and if any of you want to shoot the flare and leave, you can. You just have to shave your head before you do.
You're telling me I can shoot this flare right now and I can go home.
After we shave your head. Now's your time. Do you want to leave?
Last night sucked, bro.
No leaving? All right. See you tomorrow. Everyone's keeping their hair for today.
It was clear that in order to survive 7 days here in the Arctic,
If I have another night like last night, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it.
we would have to expand our shelter.
Darius, why are you filming? You should come help.
I'm just doing what I was told.
All right, so there's 6 of us. The goal for tonight is to have us be able to sleep side by side this way and side by side over here. And if we don't, I'm gonna go home a bald man.
Oh, it looks amazing. Holy crap.
We carved away at our shelter for hours. But the realization started to hit.
What was your plan on pooping?
I thought it was gonna be a poop tent.
But you didn't bring one?
It was on the packing list.
Who didn't pack it?
Well, I didn't have room in my bag.
How are we pooping?
We're not! Everything is wrong! Nothing's going right!
They sent me to scout a poop area.
Yeah, if we pooped near camp, it would obviously attract polar bears.
The creepiest thing about this whole thing is I always see animal tracks, but I never see the animal, which makes me think that the animal is always watching me, and I don't like that.
Not many good things weighing on my mind right now. I have thought pretty intensely about shooting the flare gun, We'll see. I cannot believe this is just day 2. It feels like a day 6 or 7 of a typical challenge. This is one that I'm not sure if we're all gonna get through.
The boys have been working their butts off down there, and I just want to say I'm very proud of them. I really hope we can all get a good night's sleep inside the house, because a problem we haven't addressed yet is that we only brought 3, maybe 4 days worth of food, and if we don't start fishing and hunting, we're not going to survive. It's not even day 3, and I think my nose might be getting frostbitten. It's starting to turn purple at certain points, so this is going to be an interesting video.
As darkness set in, the temperature drop was so severe that not even our shelter could protect us from the danger of frostbite.
I can't feel my toes.
Can you feel my touch?
Barely.
Oh, your feet are cold.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he has no color in them.
Oh,
That
God.
is not good.
No, stick it in my armpit. My big toe's never that flat on the top.
Chandler's got white toes, probably frost nip, so we've got to get him warmed up quick before it turns into frostbite.
Unfortunately for Chandler, Mother Nature had another surprise waiting for us.
Anyone want to shave their head and leave?
I'm really thinking about
Well, too bad, because the pilot just said that it's too snowy. He can't fly.
Yeah, hang in there. Play it safe today, guys.
So you're telling me the worst day of the challenge so far is the only day so far that we can't evacuate?
What I'm telling you is the days where you're most likely to get hurt are the days the plane can't come.
Oh, man.
Dude, how much did it snow last night?
The weather has definitely changed, looking kind of nasty.
So that used to be our camp.
Woo! It is freezing today.
Our main priority was getting warm with a fire.
Come on.
This is normally not hard.
But overnight snow made for a new problem.
It's wet. All of the wood is wet. It's bad.
I've got an idea. Oh, you got the feather.
No.
Here we go.
Oh, there we
Feather
go.
master. Without this fire, this day cannot go on. Oh, there we go. We got a spark.
The feathers work. I gotta protect it like my life.
Come on, please work.
Woo!
We got fire.
Yes.
We're focused on warmth right now, but we actually need to be focused on getting some food or something.
I brought one thing that might help. It's an auger.
Fun fact, near our camp is a frozen ice sheet over a lake. So we're gonna use this auger to drill a hole and try to catch some fish. But before we head out, we have to see how Chandler's doing.
It looks better. The color's coming back.
Me and Hayes need to go get food, so who's gonna take over doctor duty while we're gone?
I can make sure he's okay.
Thanks, Nolan, for doing this.
You're welcome, buddy.
Let's go see if we can catch some fish. Good luck. Later, boys. Hey, Nolan, take care of Chandler.
We'll work on the shelter.
Guys, be safe. Don't die on us. Let's aim for one of those dark spots over there. Okay. Maybe the ice will be thinner. Ooh, it's cold.
It's so windy.
So the walk back with the wind in our face is gonna suck. All right, right there, right here. Wait, get a shot of this, guys. This shows. I'm not joking when I say we are literally camping on ice.
Are we gonna fall through?
No way. It's super thick. It's too cold. Can I try it? Yeah. So the idea is not to push hard down. Let the blades cut. Here, Tariq, come over here.
I can't see. It's too windy. How thick is this ice?
Hopefully not that thick. We're about to find out, though.
Oh, this is brutal.
Come on.
Keep on going.
Should we see how deep we went?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh,
Whoa, we've made progress.
dude.
Look at that.
We're cooking.
Oh, my eyes. Oh.
The weather out here is worse than we ever could have imagined. Well, our situation just went from bad to worse. Our entire kitchen has been completely covered in snow. And we lost most of our gear for making food. I'm gonna see if I can get some back.
Yeah, it's snowing pretty bad out there now. The other guys are fishing. Hopefully they give us something to eat tonight.
What do you guys think, like 2.5 feet now, 3?
That's about half a Tariq, so 2.5 feet.
Oh, okay.
We really gotta get this fish, because if not, day 5 and 6, the boys aren't gonna be very happy. Look how deep this is. Here's my arm. Oh my God.
We got about an inch left to hit water, or this thing won't be able to turn anymore.
Come on.
Almost there.
Come on. Cross your fingers. I'm hungry.
I'm starving. No.
We physically can't drill any lower. Our drill is not big enough.
This is how thick the ice is.
You're telling me we can't get fish?
Maybe not here.
With the realization that the ice is too thick, and since we're risking hypothermia because our clothes are soaking wet, we had to head back. Not coming back with food really got me thinking. Thinking about our last survival video when we actually failed.
You have my word, our next challenge video, I'm not failing again. I'm not failing, 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 I'm not failing. Hey boys, catch anything? No.
Feel so defeated right now.
Yeah. So far today's been terrible. The morale overall is really low.
Someone just like knocked me out and woke me up on day 7.
Isn't it crazy? It's only day 3. 4 more days.
Yeah, and everything, including my hands, are soaking wet. And it's gonna get really cold tonight.
Yeah. That's a very bad thing. When that water freezes next to your body, you die.
Okay, so we are soaking wet all the way through our clothes. Tonight it's gonna get really cold. One of us is gonna get hypothermia unless we do something right now.
See that spruce up there? We're gonna go get the limbs off of it to give us a bedding, to give us a little more insulation so we can sleep. It's really cold at night, and most of that is from touching the ground. These are perfect. This is good stuff for bedding.
Hey, Hayes is here.
Hayes.
Who needs some?
I will take it.
I got a lot more, guys.
When Hayes showed up with those branches, it felt like an early Christmas present. We finally had hope of staying warm throughout the night.
Oh, this is a lifesaver, guys. Thank you.
We're good. Everyone's good. That's all that matters.
Dude, I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Oh man, and it's gorgeous. Thank the Lord that the weather is much better today.
Oh, wow, the sun feels so good. Today is the day that everything finally goes right.
Looks like some weather coming in.
What?
Weather. See the dark right there? That means blizzard.
Blizzard?
Blizzard. We gotta get cruising. And to top it all off, we're gonna run out of food today if we don't catch fish.
We ain't got many meals left.
Yeah, just hold up. No.
To help us find a better spot to fish today, we're making use of Darius's drone.
Press up on the left stick.
Okay. We're gonna go look for ice that has moving water under it.
Running water causes the ice sheet to be thinner.
Okay, yeah. That's definitely a river. You see the little bend right there? Oh. That's a big river. Big river means more fish.
Guys, that's pretty far. Cross a lake, cross a forest, to get to the river. Can you all walk that far?
Yep. And then catch fish and drag them back. So we should start our journey soon.
Don't worry, guys. I got a secret weapon.
Jimmy, do you know how to ski?
Nope. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Whoa! We brought cross-country skis to make the trek over the lake easier. Well, maybe not for me and Darius.
I hate this. So it's like shuffle, glide.
So you're saying shuffle?
Shuffle, glide. Looking good.
This is weirdly fun. Let's go catch some fish. Woo!
Come on, fellas. We got this. Nice work, fellas. I'm proud of you guys. Hey, Darius.
Yeah?
Do you mind not falling so much? Let's get these skis bundled up.
To get through the forest, we're changing into our snowshoes, which have increased surface area so we can walk on top of the snow.
According to the drone, the river's this way. Let's try to stay in the shallow snow. So if you look at the...
Oh my gosh.
What were you in the middle of saying? Perfect timing.
What snow?
Look at all these animal tracks everywhere. Oh yeah.
These footsteps going in the woods are not us. What's that, Hayes?
Moose.
Bro, moose have feet that big? How tall are they?
They're massive.
Based on these footprints, oh my gosh. All right, well, I say we go that way where the moose is not.
This fish better be jumping out of the hole that we drilled. I embarrassed myself so many times to not come back with fish.
Chandler.
Oh, yeah. Dang.
Pull your pants up. I'm sweating.
Jimmy said to make this place bigger. We're gonna give him a mansion.
This is cold. We're tired, getting beat up. Here in this dense part, we just gotta get through it. I know the river's over there. Almost there, guys. Keep it up. How close are you to crashing out?
I'm there.
Guys, I see the river.
No way. Oh my gosh.
How gorgeous is that?
This is crazy.
All right, let's get to fishing. Whoa. My leg is actually stuck in a hole.
I got you, buddy.
This branch is the only thing stopping me from falling.
I wonder how the boys are doing back at camp.
They better be doing something.
Holy.
Hey, yo, is that too big of a chunk?
Oh, Chandler figured out a new method for the ceiling.
Dude, that was nice.
Oh, that is the biggest chunk in the world.
Guys, I know you found a new shot, but please do not cave the ceiling in. That is a massive chunk.
I mean, we don't know what we're doing.
I guess right here?
Right here?
Okay. That entire journey you just saw was under the assumption that this ice is thinner. Let's see how screwed we are.
Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go. Let's go,
What are
Jimmy.
you, my cheerleader? Because I kind of like it. Oh. Bro, if you got that much energy, no, come use this. Too much energy. All right, sub in.
Yeah, we're in there.
We're gonna get some fish. The boys are gonna eat good tonight, tomorrow night, the night after. We're eating good the rest of the video. I don't know, I'm just saying this to psych myself up because I'm worried we wasted all this time and energy and calories and I'm tired.
Guys, the plane is here.
Plane's here. Where's the flare?
We built the shelter, did a lot. We could, we could just hit this.
We can easily shoot this and go home.
Is it loaded? Ah, hey, that's the plane. Howdy.
I mean, that does look a little tempting right now.
I had finger on the trigger, bro. I almost did it.
Dude, I want to really badly.
Bro, we can, dude, let's just do it.
We can end this
Let's
suffering
just,
right now.
I mean, we'll just have to come back with our hair on the ground.
I hope one of the boys aren't balding in that plane right now. I'll be honest, camp's really far that way. I'd have no idea if they shot the flare.
Watch your eyes.
Our hole's as deep as my arm, and we still haven't hit water yet. We might run into the same issue we did yesterday. Science said this is a river, so it should be thinner. As of right now, it's not looking much thinner. But my shoes are soaked.
When I fell by the river, my boot filled up with snow. And now
I'm freezing.
Yeah, take the socks off and wring them out.
Yeah, they're like red. Can you put my foot in your armpit real quick?
Yeah.
My toes were starting to turn a little purple, so I'm putting them in Darius's armpit to heat them up. Thank you, Darius.
Hey man, this is the last place I ever thought I'd find your foot.
You know what I would love? There's a fire going and hot cocoa and we get in.
Yeah, I don't know if you know who we're talking about here.
But after 3 hours in the cold,
Hayes, buddy.
I knew we had to head back.
If we don't head back, unironically, someone could get very hurt. I think it's time to accept the fact that we failed again. The clouds are looking like they're about to storm. I mean, look at this. We're in the middle of nowhere. We got to start heading back to camp. I hope the boys had better luck than us today.
I can't help but to imagine the look on Nolan's and Chandler's faces when we come back with nothing to eat tonight.
How was it? You guys okay? We dug 6 feet deep, 4 grueling hours, and the sun started to go down.
So you're telling me there's no fish?
I'm telling you, we're gonna go back tomorrow and dig till we get fish. I'm gonna go lay down.
I should have shot the flare. We don't have food now. Day 4, no food.
Let's all calm down for a second. I know the morale's low, we ain't got no fish. Let's go boost that morale by looking at the cave.
Whoa,
You see that?
this is crazy, bro. That corner is so much bigger.
The goal is nobody wakes anybody up tonight.
Thank you.
We're all evenly spaced apart in a way that we will not bump each other.
Today was super tough. Need a win, man. It's been just bam, bam, bam.
Today was a trek. I want to say thank you for expanding the fort. I have lots of space between me and Nolan.
We will not be bumping shell.
I'm gonna get some sleep because I guess I gotta do that all over again tomorrow. Lovely.
It's day 5 and we're down to our last meal.
But we did bring a few snacks for this type of situation.
Like our Mr. Beast Jack Link's beef sticks.
And with 6 grams of protein, it's perfect to give us a boost of energy for the day.
Darius, you can have mine, buddy.
And if we weren't in the frozen Arctic, we'd head over to Walmart,
Where you can now grab some for yourself.
but unfortunately,
After these beef sticks, we're basically
Out of food, and we got a blizzard.
there's no airplane coming. There is no rescue. We are on our own.
We need to fish, but unfortunately, the snow is wet. We go out, get soaking wet. Even if we're catching fish, it just becomes extremely dangerous.
we're gonna be going all the way back to that fishing hole to catch fish, and we have to assume that when we come back, somebody's gonna have hypothermia. What? That means you guys have to have hot water ready to go. Basically like an emergency station ready. It's very dangerous.
All right, let's go.
All jokes aside, I know the boys. And if we don't get this fish, they're all gonna flare out tomorrow.
And we failed the last video. We got close to the island, didn't make it. I don't want to fail another video, so we're gonna go get a fish.
Yeah, we are.
What are we about to do?
Catch a fish.
Say it like you mean it.
What are we about to do?
Catch a fish.
Let's go get a fish!
Yeah.
See you later, boys! Be safe! Dude, how are we supposed to get a fire started?
Because there's a blizzard, we decided not to ski, so we have less gear to carry. But that means the trek will take longer. Let's see if it ends up working out.
Our path that we tracked over to the river is completely destroyed by all this snow.
We got it, don't worry.
We just need to walk that way for a very long time.
So how does one start a fire? That's for us to figure out. The firewood is soaking wet.
What wood doesn't really light on fire? They need warm water when we come back, and we can't. How are we?
Anybody that knows what to do, just left. Boys, we got a lot of figuring out to do.
1/3.
1/3 down.
So,
Where's our trail?
our trail's totally gone.
Oh, here it is.
I see it.
Yeah. This is the part where I got stuck yesterday.
Jimmy, you good?
I'm good. And I failed again today.
Come on, boys.
All right, let's get it.
We're gonna catch fish today. Woo!
We're gonna use this dead tree that we found because it's dry on the inside. What are we trying to get, Chandler?
Some dry tinder.
Come on. There we go.
Hey, it's open.
We did it.
All right, let's get it. All right. Now that we got the dry wood, we're gonna try to shave it down so we can get stuff to start the fire. This is the only dry stuff we have.
There she is.
Oh, man, here we go. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy.
We're coming for you, fish. Is that the auger?
That's the tree I left. It's like Excalibur, huh?
Oh, crap. It might be frozen.
Oh.
All right, our hole's still here. Let's get back to work. So we need to start off by expanding the sides so the auger can actually go deeper.
While you ice pick, I might see if I can find a place that's thinner. I'm thinking where the rivers meet. Maybe the water churns more, it gets a little thinner. Hoping. Right now we kind of need a miracle. We need to catch some fish. Eating is heating. If you don't eat, you get cold. You get cold, you get hypothermia, and then we're done. I just need one win. Oh! Oh! Jimmy!
What?
We're through!
Really?
It's like 8 inches here.
Let me see it. I need to see it with my own eyes. Oh, hell yeah. We got our first of hopefully many fishing holes. We got some frozen food as bait. Let's see if any fish bite.
It's best if we have multiple holes to fish from.
We've worked too hard not to get some fish.
And now we wait. 'Cause even though we're in the right spot,
Could take an hour.
could take an hour.
I want a fish. Any nibbles, Darius?
No.
Guys, I'll be honest, guys.
I'm really cold right now. Starting to lose faith that a fish might ever even bite this hook. And I'm worried that if we don't catch a fish right now, due to lack of calories, we'll get very cold tonight, tomorrow, and honestly, we might have to call the challenge if the snow picks up, which, I don't know. I just really don't want to fail back-to-back challenges. That's not who I am. I really just don't like failing, so I'm gonna sit here as long as it takes, and I'm gonna catch a fish, because I want to succeed for you guys. Oh, wait, something bit. Oh, that's crazy. They're gonna think that's fake.
That's weird. You got a fish on.
Oh,
you got a fish on.
We got
Jimmy,
a fish?
you got a fish.
Bro.
You 100% got a fish, Jimmy. You caught it during your monologue, Jimmy. Oh, no way. Jimmy.
Bro.
No, take that fish right there. I got it with my hand. No, you're kidding me.
No, did you just lose it?
No, it's, oh no.
had it in my hand. It caught on the lip.
Yeah, it was coming up sideways.
Yeah, okay, keep fishing, keep fishing. Okay, the way these fish work is if you get one, there's a lot of them. We gotta get back in the water. If there's one, there's more. We're going to catch a fish, Jimmy. I swear to God, we are not failing again. Oh no, this is bad. It's okay, I got extra gloves.
Oh yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. You fish, you fish, you fish, everybody fish. I'm sorry, man.
It's all good, it happens. I was so close to sticking my hand in as well.
No, it's just like, I've never done that before. I've never barehanded a fish.
Oh.
Jimmy, no. You got it, you got it. Okay, Jimmy. Very nice and easy. Nice and easy and up through the hole.
Oh, we got one! We got one! We got one!
Oh my goodness! That!
We got a fish!
Wow! I almost dropped him in the hole. All right, we gotta get back fishing because where there's one, there's more.
All right, let's put this on the bench. I really hope Jimmy and the guys are safe. We're trying to get it all ready before they get here because hopefully they caught a fish.
Are you ready to make them a fire, Chandler?
Almost.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. What's on fire? We got fire.
All right, we got a little fire going. Now we just gotta make it feed it.
We just gotta keep feeding it.
Hayes, we got a nibble.
Keep the tension, pull slowly. Keep the tension, keep pulling, keep pulling.
We got something, we got something. Pull it up. Yeah! Woo!
Another
one!
We eating good tonight.
Yeah! It's been hours since I drank water. I got a headache. I don't know what's really going on, but I caught some fish. After 7 hours of fishing, we caught 2 fish. Let's go celebrate with the boys!
It's ready for insertion of snow.
Hayes is gonna be so proud of us. He's gonna get back here, he can be like, I don't gotta do that.
We got the fire going. We got the water ready.
All we need is a fish.
Light a fire!
Is that a fish I see? We got everything going!
Yeah! Boys, I know what you're wondering. Hey, grab the blue bag.
This better not be a prank. Boys, we eating tonight! Yeah! Let's go! Woo!
All right, fish number 1 is cooking.
Hey, good job.
Good job. All right, we got a cooked fish. Who's hungry, boys? Let's eat up.
Oh. Hey, don't worry. We have a second fish to get us through all of day 6.
Oh, yeah. Oh, mate.
I don't think I've ever had fish this fresh before, because this tastes delicious.
Can you guys believe that we're just eating fish out here in the middle of the Arctic?
Oh, I'm believing it and I'm living it.
I'm living it, believing it, seeing it,
Dreaming it.
all the above.
Gentlemen, what do you think of our fish?
It was delicious.
Tasted amazing.
So good.
Tomorrow, I have something very fun planned for the gang. Well, before I tell you, Chandler, can you say cue the time lapse?
Cue the
No, they'll cut you off in post. You just say the whole thing.
Cue the
Oh, hey guys, the plane's here.
Not to alarm anyone. But I think I'm gonna shoot the flare.
Whoa!
Because I'm worried about how much fun we're gonna have today.
After 5 grueling days, I think the boys deserve a little fun. And if they make it to day 7, I've got a surprise for them.
I'm glad we caught the fish because I almost left without the fish, to be honest.
This was the hardest challenge that I've done.
Harder than the time you tried to make me eat pickles 7 years ago?
Here we go. Oh, it's in there. It's in there.
Oh. This is the second hardest challenge I've ever done.
We've been doing survival videos like this for almost a decade now.
I'm going to sit underwater 24 hours straight.
Because they have some of the lowest points in my life.
What are we doing?
I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Like a couple days ago during the blizzard.
This just keeps getting worse, guys.
But also some of the highest moments of my life.
The boat actually floats.
When we're in the cave, cracking jokes with the boys, disconnected from society. It's some of the most fun I have filming any videos. I just wanted to give a shout out to those guys because they're the reason why a video like this that in theory should suck horribly has a lot of really great moments. And I'm just very grateful for them. It probably goes without saying, but I'm obviously very grateful for you guys as well. When I was a little kid, I used to dream of living the life I'm living now.
Hide me in 10 years. Hopefully you still do YouTube.
And And so, just thank you so much. I'm gonna go throw a snowball at them.
Derek, push me!
Oh God! Oh God! Woo! All right, now I'm soaking wet.
Day 6 is a 10 out of 10. I've been holding on to these s'mores for the last night, and now it's time. Boys, got a present!
Oh, that looks good. Yo, Nolan, hook a boy up. Cheers, boy! Yeah. Great way to end it off with the best tasting chocolate on the planet. Woo! Hey, this is go bedtime. I'll see you guys in the morning for the surprise. Let's just say we're not leaving on a helicopter tomorrow.
What? We are leaving though, right?
Depends, you'll see. It's day 7!
Yes! Get us out of here.
And now the twist of the video, we have another week here.
Stop it. I'm leaving.
What's the surprise?
When we get out of this cave and pack up, I'll show you.
Let's do that like now.
But we're not allowed to leave until we clean up every speck of trash.
Okay. Cue the time lapse.
Drake don't got time-lapse power. Cue the time-lapse. Oh, bring in the surprise! That flare just signaled the secret, which isn't the helicopter, it's a pack of Arctic dogs.
Oh, sweet!
Bro, that looks so beautiful.
Dude, that's a lot of dogs.
Oh my God, I'm so ready to go home.
Doggos!
Yes. That's my ride! Take me home, baby!
And that's 7 days in the Arctic! We're heading out! Oh, I can't wait to take a warm shower. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for sticking around. This is crazy.
That's how you end the video.